Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to transfer Bitcoin from Cash App. So first is start by logging into your Cash App on your phone or PC. Tap the banking tab on the home screen. It looks like a bank icon. Scroll down and select Bitcoin to access your Bitcoin wallet. Now enable Bitcoin withdrawals if not already enabled. If this is your first time withdrawing Bitcoin, Cash App may ask you to verify your identity and you'll need to provide some personal details like your full name, social security number, and a photo ID. Once verified, you'll be able to make Bitcoin withdrawals. This verification process might take a bit of time. So once you're on the Bitcoin page, click Withdraw Bitcoin. Specify the amount of Bitcoin you'd like to withdraw. You can also toggle between Bitcoin and USD to see exact value. Now paste the Bitcoin wallet address you're transferring to in the space provided. Or if you have a QR code for the wallet, you can scan it using your phone's camera. Always double check that the address is correct. Sending Bitcoin to the wrong address can result in a permanent loss of your funds. Now, after entering the amount and the destination wallet, tap on Next and review the details of your transfer, including any network fees, because Cash App may charge for the transaction. And once you've verified the information, tap on Confirm to finalize the transaction. And lastly is to wait for the confirmation. Bitcoin transactions require confirmation on the blockchain, which can take anywhere from a few minutes to over an hour, depending on the network congestion. You can track the status in the Bitcoin tab. Also take note that Cash App requires a minimum Bitcoin withdrawal amount, currently at 0.001 Bitcoin. There may be network fees involved in transferring Bitcoin, which will be shown during the process. And that's it. You've successfully transferred Bitcoin from your Cash App wallet. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!